My name is Tyler Buresh, and I'm the sourcing supervisor for third-party equipment and commercial parts. We make machines at Delkor, and our team is responsible for getting the parts that make those machines. I applied to Delkor because I thought the machines look cool. It takes a lot of people in order to design, purchase, and help schedule the timelines for that equipment. The thing that makes me most proud to work at Delkor is probably the challenges that we have to work on every day. I really love data. I really love getting into the weeds on things. I love being analytical and problem solving, and we got plenty of that at Delkor. We have growth that isn't really taught in any business class that I ever took, and it causes an enormous amount of challenges that we have to overcome. The things I enjoy most about working at Delkor is the people. We have great team cohesion here. I also love the freedom that we have to tackle problems. They're also helping grow me professionally, and they do that with everybody because they pride themselves on having a great team, on people that care about their work and want to do new, exciting things, and they help foster that environment. Delkor gives me the skills needed for my role through a bunch of resources. We have great training, and on top of training classes that we're given on quarterly basis, we have just amazing resources here. It's really hard to, you can't throw a rock in the cubicles at Delkor and not hit someone really talented. So if you're an absorber and you come here, it's almost impossible not to learn something every day. Biggest tool for success at Delkor is a desire to learn and adaptability. If you're willing to learn, you're gonna excel here, and if you're okay with change, you're gonna fly off the charts. We're a group that's not really afraid to fail because we're very innovative.